Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to fix message cannot be sent on Messenger. To start, open your application store. Once you're in your application store, search for Messenger. Be sure you have downloaded it. Check update as well. But then this time, you can click on open. Now, if you already have it, you can go to settings this time and go to general. Once on general, click on iPhone storage. Once there, scroll down and look for Messenger in the search bar. Now tap on it. And then this time, tap on offload application or offload app. Once done, you can now go and open your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, go to the settings on the bottom right and then click on report a problem. Once there, tap on report a problem once again and then click on include in report. Once you're done, go to the search bar and type in Messenger or messages. Now, state your plea or your case on what's wrong with your Messenger not being able to send a message. In this part of the tutorial, you can type in a lengthy or short messages indicating your problem with Messenger being unable to send your messages. You can type in here anything you want as long as it is very well related to your Messenger problem in the application. You can also add your very own documents to support by taking screenshots. And that's it. Hit send. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.